Hey you guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
So today it's a snow day. It's actually not December 1st. I'm pre-filming this just because I actually want to do Vlogmas and I don't want to get behind and I want to have everything scheduled. You know? Okay. So basically what my Vlogmas consists of is going to be me posting on Instagram every day, posting on Twitter every day, and posting on YouTube every day. So whether it's this channel or my main channel, I'm going to try to do a video every day, a tweet every day, and a post every day. Is it going to be stressful? Yes, definitely. But I'm going to try my very best to do it, and that's why this is pre-filmed a little bit. So it's the first snow day of the year, and it is November 26th, I think. It's Monday, November 26th, and everyone kind of predicted that we were gonna have a snow day last night just because the forecast had like 100% all the way to like 7 a.m. And the roads are really bad. I just came back from my dad's house, which you guys will get to see my dad's house in upcoming vlogs because I don't really vlog at my dad's house too much because we don't spend as much time with him, but he just moved into a new house and we're redoing the room there. Ella and I are sharing a room there, and I'm going to show you guys the process of all of that, and it's going to be fun. So it's like 1 o'clock because I've been editing all morning and I just now showered and I'm starting to get ready for the day. Ella's friends are upstairs and I think my friends are gonna come over around like 4-ish because I have an eyelash appointment to get these bad boys fixed, because I don't know if you remember in the last vlog my lash appointment got canceled and moved. Oh my god, wait, is my lash appointment today or tomorrow? Wait, I'm gonna be so happy if it's tomorrow because then that means I can take pictures and hang out with my friends earlier. Wait, where's my phone? Oh my gosh. My appointment's tomorrow. Okay, so I'm having my friends come over right now. Yay. So I'm gonna get ready for the day.
Hey guys, so my sister's sleeping right now, so I can't really talk that loud, but if you look at what Ella's wearing, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you wouldn't have seen that I released merch and it's now available. Go shop it. It's the first link in the description. Ella's wearing the black one right now. There's also a white one. They are so comfortable and so soft. You guys are going to see me wearing it in like the next few vlogs. If you would like to, go check them out. And that's it for now. Back to the video.
Awesome. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, Ella made them so I didn't mean to. I followed the recipe.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Hey guys, so I have friends over. Jenny.
Hi guys, I'm Jenny. What's poppin' squad?
She's doing mascara. She never really wears makeup. And so I told her, I was like, you should wear mascara. And she goes,
You're
what is
so
mascara
funny.
in this? Because she was like looking at that and she like doesn't know what mascara looks
I
like.
don't wear makeup, everyone.
She doesn't, but still rocks it.
It's a problem.
And she has to learn how to do it right now. But get down in the roots and like brush it up. Yeah, like there you go. Perfect. Looking amazing.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Okay, I was gonna take my mom's car, but she's literally like out of gas. Just kidding, I am taking her car because I just don't really want to take my car. Jenny and Emily are coming with now because there's enough room. I'm scared this is gonna like, look at it, it's literally on empty.
Is it like on though?
No.
Then you should be fine. You'll
Wait
make it
there.
there.
Okay.
It's all fun and games till
But
someone runs out of gas. So.
literally, I stepped on the brake to start it and the car like glitched.
Did it?
Yeah. Is that bad?
No.
That's the battery, not the gas.
How do you know? So we're gonna run out of gas and the battery's gonna die? No, cars work. Not really.
It looks like we're having a party at our house because Ella's friends are over and Jenny and Emily are over. Oh my god, I just ripped my jeans so much. Look at all of these boxes. Oh my gosh. These are all from my room at my dad's house. So I have to take these over there. What? Okay, the first box. I'm gonna do the honors. Yeah. Second box. Holy crap. No, I like forgot what I ordered. Oh, it's a beanbag. Oh, it's a chair beanbag.
Dude, that's cute.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Oh, it has a handle.
Dude, this is so awesome. Isn't that awesome?
It's like not soft. Oh my god, that's so cute.
I'm so excited. Dad's coming over to help me take all this to his house.
Oh, is that for your room at your dad's?
Yeah.
That's so fun.
Let's see here. What's this one? Oh, this is a black bean bag. Ooh, it's really cold. Oh, why is this so difficult? Oh my gosh. The second bean bag. Guys, this bedroom's gonna be so awesome. I'm so excited. This is awesome.
Can everyone else unbox it for you?
No, yeah.
You're like you here.
Third box. Wait.
Why did you order so many pieces?
I don't know if one? Is this the same one?
I think it's the same one. Wait,
Oh,
no,
it's not the same. It's different. I'm like, I just got a different white one. Guys, this room's gonna be so awesome.
I feel like Toby could sit on this like his throne.
Oh. Toby, try this out.
You'd be looking for Toby all day. He's just sitting on this chair that he blends in.
Oh, that's so cute.
Toby, don't
He's like,
Got him. Oh! Everyone, it's okay.
we're okay.
Everything's fine.
This one.
oh, I like that.
Another beanbag.
Why? Wait, your room is gonna be full of
Wait, is that a
beanbags.
beanbag?
My dad's here.
Perfect timing.
He's gonna help us. Aww. These are awesome.
They're awesome.
I didn't realize.
Ooh.
Oh, we're going to Starbucks to get money. I mean, what?
Money.
To get coffee. I'm just saying I need money and my mom's not responding to me. So that's what's up. We're doing a, oh my god, that looks so big! We're filming a little, okay, so it's Emily here. Show yourself, Emily. Emily here likes to sing, and Jenny and I love to hear her sing, and we're gonna do a little like, either Christmas song, or I think we should do Thank You Next.
I think we should do thank you
next would be funny.
Easier to dance to, I think.
Yeah, it is really easy to dance to. So I'm gonna put it out there so that we actually have to do it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's not that like I just said that we were gonna do it.
No,
We're
I'm
wearing
really in
matching
this.
pajamas.
Wait, should we actually go to Target?
And get matching pajamas. Is Target too far though?
Is Target too expensive?
I bet Meijer has like $10 ones.
Very true.
Let's go to Meijer's.
Okay.
I think they're actually cute there.
No, yeah, we should just stop there after Starbucks.
They have a Starbucks in Meijer's.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Wait, how did you, honey, that's a lot of money to spend in less than a week.
How much did you put in my account? Wait, when? Yeah, let me
Did you
check.
go through all your purchases and see what you spent it on?
I need to cancel that because I don't use that anymore and I didn't realize that it was charged to my account.
Gmail will not let you access from a different computer. Patience about, you know, being responsible.
Yep.
Okay.
I love you. No, love you. Just bye. Ariana, now is not the time. These are like 2 pieces.
Holiday leggings.
I kind of like them.
These are soft. I'm not gonna.
Not gonna lie to you.
Wait, but like I kind of like.
What are these? This is reindeer. This is a Santa one.
You have a green one, me and Hannah have the red
Here's
one.
like my elves.
We're in the back, like,
Ooh.
skirt with some.
No, thank you. Oh my god.
You could make that.
No, you could make this for so cheap.
That is so.
Just go to Goodwill, get a skirt and some
Legit.
And literally just tape these
and
on.
glue this for $24. No, I think we're not doing this anymore because they don't. I mean, that's cute, but they don't really have that many. Yeah. Got the espresso beans for the house. What'd you get?
I got a peppermint mocha.
I got a vanilla coffee, iced coffee with caramel drizzle on it. Emily, what'd you get?
Venti iced chai latte.
Wait, you already got it?
Yeah, what?
Well, he likes me so.
Okay, so we're like running out of daylight and really wanting pictures, and this house is just really cute, and I think it'd make really cute pictures, especially with their outfits. Like, they just look like, look at that. Like, that's so cute.
Yeah, but I feel like weird about that.
I feel weird too, but you know what? Do it for the gram.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Red now?
No, my face is definitely red. I'm just shaking.
Some hot coffee when you both got some.
Yeah, why'd we get ice?
I don't know. I was really confused.
Cheers.
Cheers. Are we going somewhere else?
I want to find like what we did like for the fall pics, but like
Like a street?
no winter.
25 days at the most.
My feet are really cold. I should have worn like warmer socks.
Oh, it's got like fishes.
Spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe. Shawty with you. The wise men follow the stars, the way I follow my heart. Your lips on my lips, that's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of the year. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but if you stop staring at your face,
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle.
Hey Hannah, it's your girls.
I look really bad right now.
We're just gonna do a quick little vlog for your Vlogmas. Maybe like put it in there because we just want to give you a little message.
I just want to say that we love you.
We treasure you.
You're a really loyal, genuine friend. Well, that sounded so fake. I'm so sorry. Like, I for real mean it.
You're currently upstairs right now with your family.
Having a little meeting on the
Having
phone.
a little meet and greet. We're gonna go watch some more Golden Buzzer videos now.
Yeah, we've just been sitting here crying about it. But yeah, we just wanted to say that we love you and
can't wait to see you in a few minutes.
Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next.
Thank you.
Next. We're prepping for a music video. This is happening. This is happening. I'm gonna change on my Christmas onesie now.
If you want me, tell me it could be a backup dancer. You could like right there in here. Oh my god. Each other. I'm getting really hot.
Next year. Alright guys, so that's it for Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not going to put the music video in this vlog. I think I'm going to put it in the next vlog just because I got so much content today. I feel like I want to save this. But thank you guys for watching. I'm really looking forward to doing Vlogmas and it's going to be super fun. If you haven't already and you would like to, don't forget to subscribe. It's just a reminder. I'm not pressuring you to at all. No, seriously. Also, I would really appreciate it if you guys commented videos that you want me to pre-film. Or not pre-film, but like, the thing is I don't want Vlogmas to get super boring. So I want to have videos kind of that I can like post maybe like once a week instead of a vlog. Like, a Q&A or like Christmas wish list or like a drive with me. Something that's not that I have to like vlog from the minute I wake up to the minute I go to bed. Just because it'll be easier if I want to break. So yeah, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. It's midnight on Monday night. Today was an awesome snow day, but I don't want to go to school tomorrow, but we're gonna have to anyways, and it's okay. We're gonna deal with it. School's awesome. All right, good night guys.
Rocking around the Christmas
Is it going about to change into my Christmas onesie?
Ew.
About to? Is that gross? Peace, love, happiness. Rock on, shaka baby.
And I don't have to stop.
Okay, show me. The Christmas tree have a